Hello guys, welcome to How to Wisdom, and we are continuing on our series on how to make money with YouTube without recording yourself with a camera. And this is the part 5 of the series. If you follow from 1 to 4, realize that we've shared a lot of things, but most importantly, you can also check other channels and see how they're doing. These are 3 examples of ones you can do: Daily Keeps, Centrals, V6, and Base Zeus. You look at how they use Twitch stream highlights, use TikTok videos, and use personal development videos. See how much they make per video. You can also do your try and error check, get inspired, and then build your own cash making YouTube channel. So I wish you all the best, and be a doer, not just a reader or a thinker or someone that just gathers knowledge. Take care.